and welcome to the first installment of Plan Your 2019. So what I'm going to do every Monday, Wednesday, Friday up until Christmas is give you an actionable step that you can take to help plan your 2019. Today we are going to decide what you want to achieve in 2019. It's hard to move forward towards your goals or achieve anything if you don't even know what you're working toward. Think of it this way. If you're going on vacation and you don't know where you're going, then you can't book flights, you don't know if you have to pack the car or pack a suitcase or what to do. You don't know what to pack because maybe the weather's cold, maybe the weather's warm. So you need to know where you're going. Pick something. It doesn't have to be all your goals for 2019. Today, what I want you to do is to pick one goal, one thing that you would like to finish by the end of 2019. Make it something that you're excited about. This is what is going to keep you going if your motivation wanes. It's easy to start. It's easy to get excited when the idea is new, but it's harder to keep going and keep that motivation up. So make sure it's something that you really want so that you can come back to this and say, oh yeah, that's what I want. This is why I want it and I'm going to go after it. For me, it's kind of a big goal. I want to have a library of classes on my site. I do have a big library of big picture classes, but people need a membership there and I find that people don't know they're there and it's just not working for me. So I'm going to have a library of classes on my site hopefully by the end of 2019. That way you can go there, pick and choose the classes that suit you, take whatever ones you want, take them all, take one, and get organized and reach your goals. I love teaching women how to dream big and then going after those dreams by making them into goals and being organized. Okay, that's it for today. Make sure you leave me a comment below telling me what your one goal is for 2019. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.